Hello everyone, here in this video we are going to learn how to download Cisco Packet Tracer as a free way. Then it is a great program from Cisco to learn how to control networks, how to build security infrastructure for an organization or company, and also how to build simple networks between some computer devices, okay, or some pieces. Then, by the way, it is a great opportunity to learn and to start cybersecurity, okay. Then our first step here to search on Google Cisco Packet Tracer, and then we'll find here the first result. It is from netacad.com. Click it, and then we are moving to their website. Then here in this website you will not find any links to download, but you will find only courses, okay. Then let's select some courses like getting started with Cisco Packet Tracer. Let's select this course. Okay, great. Then here we are moving to another website. It is skillsforall.com, and there in that website we'll find the link we are searching for. Then here is the course we selected. Then this is the landing page, and let's click get started. Here you should sign up with your account, your information. Then you can sign up with your Google account or in another way. And after signing up, okay, you should sign up here. After signing up here, you will be moved to another web page. Then here we have an active link for downloading the program. Then here we are going to click this button here. After clicking OK, then we are moving now into another landing page. Here is the link we are searching for. Not yet, okay. Then here it is this page. We are going to find our link here. Then scroll it down. Let's scroll down. Yes, scroll down and down. Then we will find it. Okay, awesome. Here we find the link we're searching for. Then click this link. And finally we get the links we are searching for. Here you will find some 3 packets for Mac or Ubuntu or Windows, okay. Here for myself I'll use the packet tracer of Windows 64 bits. Okay, second is okay, it's downloading now. Then after download we click it to run and start installing the program. Just seconds, okay. Click run to extract files on your PC or your laptop. Yes, accept. Then next and next. You can check it or not, okay, as you can, but okay, let's check it. Okay, it is easily way to find its icon. Install now. Okay, the program now start is extracting the files on your computer. Seconds, it will finish soon. I think it finished. Okay, then now finish. Okay, the our program now will start. Just seconds. Okay, the program asks you to select if you want to use multiple user or only single user. You can it is not matter to choice yes or no, okay. For me I'll select yes. Okay, here your program starting work, okay, but you'll face an issue here. Okay, then click allow access for your firewall. Then you will face here a problem that the program, every time you start it, okay, every time you start the program asks you to log in or sign in. Okay, then how to skip this step, how to open the program and work with it without this step, without logging in. Okay, then we don't want this step at all. Okay, then let's close the program, close it. Okay, let's close it and do something that we can skip this step. Go to your Windows setting from start menu. Okay, we want to go to control panel from settings here. Okay, then let's try to find or search for Windows Defender Firewall. Yeah, Windows Defender Firewall. Okay, here it is. Then here be sure that private networks and the public networks are active. Okay, then click Advanced Settings. Okay, awesome. Then we here select outbound rules and customize it. Okay, then we are going to add a new rule from here. Then it is program selected, and then next, and then browse for Cisco Packet Tracer file exe. Okay, it's run file from here on my computer. Here I'll find it on C partition, and then here is the program, and then bins, and then find its exe file, then next, and then here block the connection. Okay, next, and then name your rule by Cisco, for example, Cisco PT, Cisco Packet Tracer. And then now we have finished this step. Now we can try to start the program again and open it, and let's see if the program will ask you for login in or not. It's starting, it's opening. Okay, let's see now. Awesome. Okay, the program skipped the step of logging. Okay, it's a great thing. Okay, that we did it. Okay, then you can start your program now and start enjoy it, and thank you for watching.